and the past, and to look to the future with hope and confidence. It is a time for celebration and of compassion. Many of us will be thinking of close friends and relatives who we may have lost during the year. I hope you can spare a thought opportunity once. I want you to know that Kuwait Doctors Group continues to enjoy its status amongst the most committed and strongest ethnic group in the diaspora. My hope for the year 2012 and beyond is the goodwill and respect for each other will not be compromised, and we shall keep up to challenge to keep Kuwait Doctors Group maintains its status and remains focused on our humanitarian mission and goals. I also want you to know how grateful I am for the support and respect you have offered me in carrying out my responsibilities as your president during the past few months. I want to wish you and your families a joyful holiday season. This is the time of the year we seldom make the time to sit quietly and reflect on the past. Think our blessings and plan into the future. I would like to take this time to reflect on my blessings I have spent the past month as president of this noble group organization, and I am glad to state that I am honored to accept this opportunity to serve you. Also, Kuwait Doctors Group still faces some difficulty times and challenges ahead. It still maintains its most valued asset, you, the members. When I think of the blessings Kuwait Doctors Group has enjoyed, it always comes down to the dedicated individuals who have decided to commit themselves to Kuwait Doctors Group, serving the people in need and continuing our mission. It is your dedication that inspired me during those challenging months of my leadership. I can assure you that your years of dedication and commitment will not be forgotten. Rest assured that this leadership will continue to move Kuwait Doctors Group forward and maintains the organization as it was originally conceived. Allow me to point out that we are blessed with the leadership of experienced individuals who are capable and willing to take Kuwait Doctors Group to a higher level of effectiveness and efficiency among humanitarian group organizations. I know some of us are dealing with uncertainty about the future. Let me assure, the future seems more certain and brighter as we approach it with hope, prayers, and reverence. Indeed, I count my blessings. I am grateful for the opportunity to serve you in the capacity of President of Kuwait Doctors Group. I am grateful for the dedicated membership, and I am grateful for Kuwait Doctors Group and all my fellow members. Let us begin the year 2012 with renewed commitment to our humanitarian mission. God bless you all and be
I've been here for first reason. You want to go to war.
Randy, stop calling me! Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2. bata. Praise the Lord. May saktan pa mo. Okay. 1, 2. Hindi rin. Hindi. One more.
Okay, 1,000 more. 1,000 more. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Keep praise. One more.
No, 14 more. Ganon, may online na ganyan.
Merry Christmas to all. Merry Christmas to everyone.
Diyan ka nipol, tingnan nipol.
Wow! Kuha na naman ah. Oh, naku eh. Wait lang, wait. Tinawag ko rin mandan. 1, 2, 3.
Angel! Hey, hold on! Angel! Yeah! Sa pula! Itaka mo! Okay, bago
Ayong grupo ba? Hey, sobra na! Yes, the group! Where are you?
Yap!
Kung mawawala ka sa piling ko, sinta, paano ang Paskong alay ko sa'yo? Sayang, sinta, ang sinupaan at pagtitingin ng tunay. Nais mo bang kalimutan na lang ang ating suyuan at galak? Kung mawawala